This is gonna be a long day. I hope it's gonna be a good long day. So we have a year-end party. I'm just wearing this. This was given to me as a gift, so let's go try it. Oh, it's so cute. I need blush na medyo kumakapit, lumalaban ganun. This is the one that I'm using. Grabe, sobrang pigmented. Madali na rin ako because I don't wanna be late. Nakaka-fresh talaga yung magalagay ka ng highlight cause dyan sa center ng face mo. And nakakapagpaaliwala siya. You guys, hindi ko na sabi kung ilang beses ko sabihin, ang fresh mo. Or baka binubola lang ako pero I think yung highlight yung nagdadala nun. This cake. Malayo dahil sa rollers pa. Bye-bye!